His video showcases Ketchan's automated linear induction brazing system, designed for high-precision brazing of copper charging nozzles used in refrigeration and HVAC manufacturing. As the assembled copper tube and fitting components move through the linear induction coil, you can clearly see the brazing alloy glowing, melting, and flowing smoothly into the joint by capillary action. With our advanced temperature control system, every joint reaches full brazing depth and perfect metallurgical bonding, ensuring 100% process consistency and zero leaks. At the end of the video, the finished copper assemblies reveal bright, uniform, and visually clean joints, a result of precise heat control and stable induction technology. Ketchan's linear induction brazing solutions are ideal for high-volume, high-quality production of copper and brass components. Want to know more? Visit our website or contact us anytime. Ketchan, your trusted partner in advanced brazing automation.